So the day always starts a night before. I need to get prepared what I'm gonna do on the next day. Tomorrow is Thursday. I have 3 lectures. So the yellow bits are the lectures I need to go, and the blue bits are the things I plan to do. In this way, it can keep me productive for the whole day. Now it's nearly 10 o'clock. I need to get ready for bed because I'm gonna get to bed at 6 o'clock in the morning and brush my teeth and also wash my face. Sleeping is the best time of the day, but before sleep I need to do some reading and also write my diary. This is the engagement book I got from New York City over the Christmas. It is so good. They printed so many masterpieces in the book. Look, so nice. This is the book I am currently reading now, Steve Jobs. It is really interesting to go through someone's life through the book. After reading, I set my alarm at 6 o'clock, and you need to turn it on so you can see the little bell on the screen. Good night. Yep, I'm going to the gym now. The gym class starts from 6:30, but I need to get up at least a half an hour earlier to just wake myself up. I live in the hall in my first year, and they have a really nice gym next to it, so that's where I'm going now. It's a 45-minute fitness class. It's really intense, so I'm afraid I can't film for you guys, but if you want to know my workout routine, please comment down below so I can make a video for that. Now I'm just doing some warm-up. That was really intense, but I love it. Now it's 7:15. It's still dark outside, and now I'm going back to eat my breakfast. That's what I usually have in the morning for breakfast. Coconut chips, oats and dried fruits, nuts. This is pistachio and fresh fruit. I can't explain why, but breakfast is always my favorite meal in the day. Look, amazing. I prepared my lunch for the day. This is fruit, and this is the noodle I had yesterday. And now I'm gonna put them in my bag. Morning, London. Okay, I can get to the college now. I need to take the Central line first and then walk through the Hyde Park. To spend that time more efficiently on the tube, I usually just bring my vocabulary book with me so I can remember some new Spanish words. Here is Hyde Park. It's really lovely to walk here every morning. This is the Central Library. I'm gonna do my work there in the morning. I have all my notes and work in the iPad. It's really convenient to take them away with me. I'm using Notability to take all my notes and work on there. I may make a video in the future to explain how I study with these apps. I'm going to the lecture now. After lecture, it's lunchtime. I'm using the microwave to reheat my food. Smells really nice. I have 1 hour free between 2 lectures in the afternoon, so I'm gonna use the time to study a little bit of Spanish.
Comer manzanas. La mujer bebe agua.
Finish my day at 5 o'clock. Yes, I'm going back home now. It's time to cook. Look, this is my apron. Don't mess with the chef. Yeah, that's me. Today I'm gonna make carrot and lamb soup, served with rice. When I am waiting for the soup to cook, I plan to go downstairs to practice the piano. I am practicing Debussy's piece now, but I'm really bad at it, so I'm afraid I can't show you guys. My soup is ready. I really can't wait to eat. Look at my rice. Look. Wow. It's so nice. Let me have a taste. Nice. After the meal, I get back to my table and reply the emails for my student union job.
This is my first video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like it, please give me a thumb up, and I can keep making videos like this. And I also plan to make more videos about productivity, about my workout routine, and how to make healthy meals every day, because I do actually make my own meal every single day. So if you want to know more about how to have a more healthy life, please subscribe my channel and you can be updated every week. So see you next week.